Now, today I want to show you how to make this Bluey themed cake. And with Amazon, a bench scraper, some icing, sprinkles, and a piping bag, you've got this down pat. So follow along and I'll show you exactly how to do it. I'm just going to start by putting a little bit of my blue buttercream on my board with my cake on top. And then I will put a good scoop of buttercream, pushing this out to the side and then smoothing it out. And then put my second layer on and crumb coating. Now that my cake is all crumb coated, I'm going to stick this in the refrigerator before I put on my final coat of buttercream. My cake is out of the refrigerator, so now I'm just going to put on my final layer of buttercream. Now that my cake is nice and iced, I am just gonna take this out to the freezer to get nice and chilled so that I can get my edges nice and straight. Now that my cake is out of the freezer, I am just going to bring in my sides and then going back and just touching up around the cake. And then I'll do the exact same thing, just making sure everything is nice and neat. Now that this is done, I just have some white buttercream in a big open round tip. This is Wilton number 12 tip, but I am just going to go around my cake and add little clouds. So I'm gonna do just little waves and bubbles all over my cake. Now that I have all of my clouds on, I just have two little figurines from the show. This is Bluey and Bingo. But if you don't want to just put toys on your cake, you can make these by hand, but I like for the little kids to be able to play with these after. So I just ordered these off of Amazon and I'm going to stick these on top and on the side. So I am just going to put Bluey kind of off to the side on top, standing up. And then I will put Bingo sitting down on the side. And then we have a topper for this cake once we get to the party, but it hasn't come in yet. So I am just going to go ahead and put the final touch of the sprinkles all along the top. We just mixed these sprinkles, just sprinkles we had around, with some blue and white and orange, all different textures and sizes, just to go all along the top. And there you go. I told you it was gonna be simple and I was not lying. Jackson's mom has a little topper for this cake with his name on it, so there's not really much to do on top, which made it really easy and easy for you to do too. But if you enjoyed learning how to make this cake, make sure to like and subscribe and ring the bell so we can change the world one cake at a time. Bye.